GMA Masterclass, the Icon Series, may nitong gihangop sa Divine Word College of Lawag City. Ano yung report?
Mainitong gisugat ang pipila ka opisyal o personalidad sa GMA Network atul sa pagpahigayon sa GMA Masterclass, the Icon Series sa Divine Word College of Lawag City. Speaker si GMA Network Chief Marketing Officer Lizelle G. Maralag. Iyang gipaambit ang mga estratehiya sa marketing ug research. Iya sab gisaysay kung giunsa niya pagkapot sa iyang kalampusan.
Things that you envision may not necessarily happen instantaneously, but they will definitely happen if you work hard and you absorb all of the learnings. Definitely there will be failures, and that's okay. Because you have to look at failures as learning opportunities.
Gipahimug-atan ni Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, ang kamahinungdanon sa GMA Masterclass Series sa paghatod og kasayuran ug impormasyon sa mga estudyante.
Education in its essence is not confined within the four walls of a classroom. It extends far beyond, encompassing real-world experiences, diverse perspectives, and meaningful interactions. The GMA Masterclass series serves as a bridge between traditional learning and the dynamic, ever-changing world outside. It opens a window to the industry's heartbeat, allowing you to witness firsthand the intricate workings of various fields, be it media, journalism, arts, technology, marketing, or entrepreneurship.
Very appreciative of this activity kasi talagang with the trend right now, mas makakatulong talaga sa mga estudyante ngayon to also learn from the expert talaga.
Wala sa magpalupig ang mga estudyante o mga tagduma sa Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College sa ilang gipahigayon nga GMA Masterclass, the Icon Series.
To our dear students, makinig po tayong lahat. Minsan lang mangyari ito na ang buong pwersa ng GMA ay pupunta sa ating eskwelahan. We will take advantage of their presence na matuto, makibahagi at makisaya sa kanilang programa.
Dinhi gipaambit ang advantages o disadvantages sa paggamit sa artificial intelligence o AI.
There are functions of AI that you need to leverage if only to start with the basic. For example, if you were to do a test run or a test material, okay, and you already have a storyboard in mind, a concept in mind, you can use AI so that it becomes more animated. However, if AI is going to be used to copy, to impinge on originality and creativity, then that's wrong. Okay, so it really depends on how you use it.
Nico Sereno, Balitang, Bisdak.